3 retirement traps that can cost you $10,000 or more per year. IRMAA stands for Income Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. What that means in plain English is if you make too much money, they charge you a lot more for Medicare. If your income crosses the threshold of $206,000, you end up paying almost $400 more per month per person for Medicare. To make it even more confusing, it's based on your income from 2 years ago. So an event like a Roth conversion or the sale of a house can trigger it. If you thought your Medicare premium was fixed at $174 per month, think again. Number 2, the required minimum distribution snowball effect. Starting at age 73, you're required to take money out of your traditional retirement accounts, like your 401k, even if you don't need it. Let's say you have $1.5 million in your pre-tax 401k. At 73, your first required minimum distribution is $57,000. That can push you into a higher tax bracket, making you pay more taxes, and push you into the higher income threshold for IRMAA, which was mentioned in mistake number 1. So now you're paying more in taxes, more in Medicare premiums, and your tax-free Social Security status is in jeopardy. Number 3 is the widow's tax penalty. If your spouse dies, the IRS does not care that your living expenses barely changed. You go from married filing jointly to a single filer, and your tax brackets get cut in half. For example, a married couple pays 12% tax up to $94,300 in income. The surviving spouse gets taxed at 22% at only $47,150 in income, only half. And if you have other income sources like RMDs, Social Security, or a pension, this can mean an additional $5,000 to $10,000 a year in taxes just because your spouse died. Add it all up, $9,000 in IRMAA penalties, $5,000 in unexpected taxes from RMDs, and $10,000 plus in widow's taxes. These are not minor expenses, but they are avoidable with proper planning. If you're 55 and up, you need to start thinking about these things before they start costing you a lot of money. I put together a free retirement guide with 10 of the biggest mistakes that you can avoid. Comment the word retire below and I'll send it to you for free.